Well, we just got back from doing a thing. Yep. It's an older model. If I remember right, it's a 2008. 3,000 hours on it. It's got a wear and use and abuse on it, but it's got a lot of life left. Good tracks, solid pins, almost brand new bucket. It runs really good too. Can't wait to get the attachment on the front. It's going to be a brush cutter. Picking that up tomorrow. I'm going to start cutting a whole bunch of brush on this property. Clearing the fence line, putting up a hot fence so I can put all these girls out to pasture on the big pasture, because we got about 20 acres that I could put these girls out on right now, but I can't because I don't have hot wire. So guess what? This is what I got to feed all the way up until April. So I got up until April to get that fence line cleared and put the hot wire up. And this is going to help out a whole hell of a lot.